viewers, this one is our link has broken, and from this side has broken and is fell down. So only this one side operator came to the garage, and we have ordered the new one. So when a new link will come and we will fix, then that time I will show you how we can fix the link of this Volvo loader. So viewers, you can see our new link has come, and now we are going to fix it back by using another wheel loader. So there are 3 pins. We use 3 pins for this link. So be with us and I will show you how we can fix it. ज़्यादा खींचना नहीं चाहिए, रुकना चाहिए ना, वो रुकेगा यार। हाँ, करो डाउन डाउन डाउन। सब सीन निकल गया, पार हो गया। ये बाद में डालना या फिर So viewers, you can see our first pin has a fix. So now is the remaining 2 pins. So first pin is completed. Okay, you can, this one is our first pin has a we have fixed this one. Okay, now is the remaining 2 pins. Okay. Now we are going to fix our second. This pin is also okay. So now viewers, you can see we have fixed our second pin. Okay, now the remaining is one pin is remaining after where our link is completely installed. So viewer, this one is our third pin. It's very difficult to fix it. Maybe it's a little this side is a little bigger, so but we are trying to fix it. Please be with us. Yes. we're trying too much, but this link is not going the inside, so maybe we have to need to grind it, then maybe it easily go. No, is no good. Leave. For more than 30 to 40 minutes we're trying to fix this link, but this side is not going inside, so we are going to grind it. So viewers, we have grind the bush of this link almost 1 mm on both side, and also inner side of the back side where this link is fixing. So now we are going to fix the link. You see now the link is going inside very easily, so now we are fixing the pin, and almost our work has done. Our pins has fixed, so now we are going to tighten them, and after we will test it. So viewers, our link has installed and the work is done. Now we are going to testing this link. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you.
Testing is okay. We have fixed the link now.